Hi everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today I have something very special. And this is it. This right here is going to be my new PC. This PC features an Intel Core i7 3770K, an Asus Sabertooth Z77 motherboard, a Club3D R9 290, and all of it is built into a cooler Master HAF X. But before I can get to using this PC, I have to clean it, since this PC is used but hasn't been cleaned in what looks like ages. So, now it's time to have a look at this PC. You can already see that the side fan air filter is clogged up with dust. After I took off the side panel, it wasn't as bad as I expected, but there is definitely dust inside this system, especially in the GPU. Near the front fan a lot of dust is also visible. So, without any further ado, let's get into cleaning this PC. First off, I'm gonna take out all the fans and remove all of the body panels. With all the fans removed, you can just see how much dust this PC actually had inside it. So now time to clean the fans. This is how they look before cleaning, and after cleaning they look like this. Now with the fans cleaned, it's time for the CD drive to come out and time to clean it. Here is how the CD drive looked before, and here is after. I did unfortunately have to throw out this SATA cable due to me ripping it off of the CD drive. Luckily the CD drive is not damaged. Moving on to the hard drive. Like you can see in the sped up footage, it began to snow, so during this cleaning I had to move inside. Here's the hard drive and the caddies before, and here's after. Now it's time to take out all of the PSU cables and then take out the PSU, which probably was the dustiest part in this PC except for the case. I took out the power supply and also the GPU, but I'm not cleaning the GPU in this video. I'll have a complete video about the R9 290 coming up, in which I'm also going to clean it. Time to clean the PSU. Here is it beforehand, and here is it afterwards. Now time to take out the motherboard, which has these little fans inside it. Of course I cleaned them up. Here is before, and here is after. Now it's time to take off the CPU cooler. Taking off the CPU cooler revealed that the i7 had literally no thermal paste between it and the CPU cooler. Believe me when I say none. I cleaned it with alcohol and a tissue, and the tissue stayed white. Time to clean the CPU cooler. Here is it before, and here is it after. Also, time to clean the motherboard. Here is it before, and here is it after. And now it's time to clean the dirtiest part, the case. Here is everything before, and here is everything after cleaning. I did not film the case since I cleaned it the day after with water, but it was too cold and windy this day. And I know that I skipped the building part, but don't worry, I'll be building a different PC on this channel very soon. Now it's time to see if this PC actually works. And it actually did. You can see how shaky I was here. And well, with that, this video comes to an end. I know that this was a shorter video than usual, but I kinda started rushing everything more and more, since I needed parts for my main PC to put in here, and it was getting late while I had online school the next day. That's also the main reason why I did not film me building it or putting parts for my main PC into here. And with that, this video comes to an end. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!